We did it!
Ready. Now let's load the materials into the minecart. Don't stop.
We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. That's all. Let's mark the containers in the garbage car. You're doing really great. The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. Let's weld a crack on the garbage car. Don't stop. Done. Now let's load materials for repairment onto the keep up the good work. Let's repair the railroad station. Hooray!
Let's load the roof onto the crane with cargo. Amazing!
Let's install new roof and windows. It. Let's install the station clock. Let's wash the bucket lift. You're doing really great.